How to change Yahoo Mail back to the classic view. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily switch back to the classic Yahoo Mail. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Yahoo Mail, and then click on the first link that you see, mail.yahoo.com. And once you do that, just make sure to go ahead and log into your account. And once you are logged in, here on the top right corner, you'll find this option right here, the settings menu. You just have to go ahead and tap on it. And once you land on your settings page, here you have an option to change your themes to different colors. And from here, just head over to more settings. Once you land on your more settings, on the left side you have different options. So you just have to click on switch to basic mail. And here you'll just have to provide a feedback and tell them why you prefer to switch back. And then click on switch back to classic mail or the basic mail and wait for it to load. Now as you can see here, your Yahoo has been switched back to the classic mail, and it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.